Welcome to the Travellink tutorial, Main Menus for Air Content. Our platform offers 3 main menus to manage and filter air content information. On the left, you'll find the Search panel. Agents can search for flights, check availability, and compare options. It includes advanced filters to refine searches based on client needs. The main input will be the type of flight, to choose whether it's round-trip, one-way, or multi-destination. Origin and destination, to specify departure and arrival airports. Dates, to select departure and return dates. And the number of passengers, to define the number of adults, boys, and girls. In the center, we find the Filter panel. It allows applying criteria to personalize search results. You can filter by airline, schedule, class of service, fare rules, and other relevant parameters to adjust to client preferences. In this middle panel, we can find the cabin type, to choose between economy, business, and other available search options. Preferred airline, to indicate if you have a preferred carrier. Result sorting, to arrange the search results. Baggage allowance, to choose whether you prefer fares with baggage included, without baggage, or mixed. Fare type, to decide whether to display private or public fares. And finally, direct flights. You can filter for non-stop options. On the right side, we find the content source. Here, agents can choose which systems to use when searching for content. By default, all systems and sources will be selected. If you want to search within a specific system, click on Select All and choose only the systems you need. Once the content, information, filters, and systems are set, our platform will display the results and allow you to begin the booking process. Thanks for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial.